tree and some circles and some tiny gifts and stars. And here are the icing. We have black, yellow, green, brown actually, and pink and green. So now we have some toothpicks here. You see 3 toothpicks, so we can blend it in like this, and then of course we have scissors, but guys, be careful with the scissors because we need to cut the tip of the icing bags. And also guys, wash your hands first before you touch cookies, because if your hands have germs on them and then you're gonna touch the cookie and then you're gonna eat it, that's super disgusting and I don't like that. So please wash your hands before you touch cookies or anything else that is food. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please follow me on TikTok. It is Ishi's World of Fun. Please follow me on TikTok right here. And please friend me on Roblox. My name is Unicorn31211. Please friend me on Roblox so we can be friends forever. Let's get started. Now my mommy cut the green one because I really want to do the Christmas tree first. So let's just do it like this. Oh, wait, it's okay. Mommy. Now let's spread it on. So much, guys. Still so much, guys. That's like a snake bob. And now let's. Guys, follow Hpcookies on their Instagram account and on their Facebook account. So when you want cookies, you can buy from them. It's a tree. Looks like toothpaste. Having trouble. Launti na lang. Next is the brown, guys. Wow. There we go. And now let's go for another one. Let's go for pink. Now let's put like some Christmas thing on it. Whoa! The pink gets so far. Let's see this one again. I like black and pink, guys. If you don't know that, I like black pink in your area. Oh my god, I'm done with my Christmas tree. This is out. For this round circle, it's a round gift actually. I want to call it like a round gift. So let's just like this last yellow. Just like yellow. You need it on the side to be like a gift. this is the finished product. But I mean, this one's a present and this one's a tree and a star present and more presents. So I am gonna enjoy these 3 cookies, the circle and another present and another star present. So please subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. And please follow me on TikTok, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here is my TikTok account right here.